Good morning. Okay, it's a beautiful baking hot summer's day right here in London. We got a call from one of our long-term clients. They're based in the Southbank. They had a technical issue with one of their fridges and we wanted to just jump straight on the first train in to help them out. Okay, so here we are behind the scenes at a long-term event in London. So our client who is using our cold room as a beer cellar. A standard cold room with hyphen holes. Technical setup. Ideal conditions in here. Perfect for what they need. Kept at a lovely temperature. That's a beer cellar. And it's a service we offer to all our customers throughout the country. So this little job was simple but really important, where the customer managed to pull the door handle completely off, and then we fitted brand new door handle and everything's back and running. Very happy client, and it's great to be able to pop in and help them out even though we're so busy at all the festivals.